During times of war, the use of anti-aircraft guns is not limited to just taking down enemy aircraft.
These weapons can also play an important role in suppressing enemy firing points during ground assault operations. The S-60 gun is one such weapon that has proved to be effective in such situations.
The anti-aircraft gunners of the O Group are well trained in using the S-60 gun to suppress enemy firing points.
This automatic gun has become a frequent guest on the Svatovo-Kremennaya line, where it has been used to good effect. While the S-60 gun may be obsolete against aircraft, it is still a formidable weapon when it comes to ground operations.
Its high rate of fire and excellent accuracy make it a potent tool in the hands of skilled anti-aircraft gunners.
During assault operations, the S-60 gun can be used to suppress enemy firing points, providing covering fire for advancing troops. The gun's ability to fire at high angles and over obstacles makes it ideal for this kind of operation. Its ability to fire both high explosive and armor-piercing rounds makes it a versatile weapon that can be used against a variety of targets. Despite its age and obsolescence against aircraft, the S-60 gun remains an important weapon in the modern battlefield. Its ability to suppress enemy firing points during ground operations makes it a valuable asset for any military force. With skilled anti-aircraft gunners manning the weapon, the S-60 gun can be a decisive factor in winning battles and achieving victory.